If you're a data analyst, solo founder, or basically anyone who needs to analyze any sort of data and you're not utilizing Claude Cowork in the ways I'm about to show you, you are missing out big time. With all of its new features, Claude Cowork is now one of the most powerful tools for overall data analysis. And I'm going to show you the 3 most powerful ways you can use it. So let's start with the most basic way you can use Claude Cowork for data analysis. This is what Claude Cowork looks like. If you've never used it, we do have a complete beginner's guide on how to set it up and how to use it, so you can check that out. But one of the great things with Claude Cowork is that it can work directly in your files and folders and make changes in the folders that you give it access to. So what we're going to do is create a new project. I'm going to start it from scratch. In this case, I've just made up a fake client called Neon Gear, and I've made a folder for Neon Gear specifically. So any task that I do for this client will happen within this project. So now that that's created, this is what it will look like. And Claude Cowork has these super powerful things called plugins. So if you go to customize, you have personal plugins right here. You can click add plugin, browse the standard Anthropic and partners plugins right here. Or you can also upload your own plugins or add plugins from Marketplace. But they have some super powerful standard ones. And if you're a data analyst, I highly recommend you to install the finance one, the design one, and the data one. And a plugin is basically just a bunch of skills specific for that use case. So within the data plugin, you can see that it has 13 skills, like the data context extractor skill, data visualization skill, data explore skill, build dashboard skill, analyze skill, etc. But it also has loads of specific commands, and it has built-in connectors. So it has Snowflake, Databricks, Google, BigQuery, and all of these other ones. And within my Neon Gear folder, I have a big CSV file with all of the data from January. So if I wanted to analyze that data using the data plugin, you can then do /data and choose whichever skill you want to use, or you can just do / and the specific skill. So in this case, we're going to do the analyze skill, data visualization skill, and build dashboard skill. And to make a super basic example, I'm just going to say, please analyze the January data from the CSV file and break it all down in detail. Then make a visual and interactive presentation of this data and key improvement areas to show to the board. So since it's working directly in my folders, it automatically found my CSV file in the Neon Gear folder. It then went ahead and analyzed it all and built an interactive HTML file and saved that HTML file automatically back in the Neon Gear folder. So if I go ahead and open this up, this is basically what it looks like. So it makes it super easy. It's interactive. You have the overview. You have specific products right here. You then have specific channels. You have customers, returning customers, US revenue, international revenue, and you have key improvement areas. So you have revenue at risk, discount leakage, mid-month drop, affiliate channel. So this is like really, really good stuff. And as you saw, this was like with the most basic script. Ideally, you want to upload your brand style guide to make sure the design fits your brand and how you want to visualize it. And it's obviously super easy to make changes to the presentation. It's super easy to talk to your data. You can just ask questions in Claude since it has already analyzed it all, and it will give you really, really good and professional answers. So this is the most basic way of using Claude Cowork for data analysis. Now let's take it up a notch, because if we go back into customize, Claude Cowork also have connectors. So if I click on browse connectors, they have hundreds of applications that you can connect directly to Cowork, and it can do all sorts of tasks for you. It can read your emails, send emails, add stuff to your Google Calendar. I have added Appify so you can scrape the web. And as you can see, I've added my Google Cloud BigQuery. So this is where I store a lot of my data, and it can now automatically extract the data from BigQuery and execute tasks from there. So I can, for example, say extract and analyze all data from the previous 7 days from the Google Cloud BigQuery connector and present it to me in a beautiful and visual HTML. So it then automatically found the Google BigQuery connection. I just had to write the specific project ID. And I'm not going to share any personal client data of my business partner, Andrew. Obviously, this is his connection, but he does have a personal health project as well. So this will just show you exactly what it looks like. So it found the project. You have 6 data sets, looks like personal health and fitness data. Let me explore all of them. Now let me pull all of the data from the last 7 days, and it will then analyze it and break it down to me in an HTML. And there you go. Here's your dashboard, a dark themed interactive overview of your last 7 days across health, training, and productivity. So we really get an insight into Andrew's life right here. It automatically found the interactive dashboard builder skill from my plugin because I have all those plugins in Cowork. And if I now open this up, here you have all of his data. Average steps, 3,700, way too bad. Definitely need to yell at him for that. You then have average heart rate, workouts, total volume, calories burned, amount of meetings. You have all of these interactive charts, which is really nice. Calories burned, training volume. You actually have his training log as well, exercise volume breakdown. So this is just a really cool use case for the BigQuery connection. And if you now want to take this even further, Cowork has a scheduled tasks feature. If I write hashtag schedule and then say analyze the previous week's data and present it to me like you just did every Monday at 8 a.m. Let's say you are a data analyst or a solo founder, and you are connected to your BigQuery. Every single Monday at 8 a.m. you get a full breakdown of the previous week's data. And if I now just hit enter, you can see that it then creates the scheduled tasks, weekly health dashboard, analyze the previous week's health and performance data from BigQuery, and generate a visual HTML dashboard at 8 a.m. on every single Monday. And you can then see more of the details of exactly what it's doing. If you then click schedule, it will then add that into scheduled tasks. So if I click on this scheduled feature, you can see that it's now right here. And you can create loads of these scheduled tasks on whatever schedule you prefer. You can do daily, you can do multiple times a day, monthly, weekly. You can do single schedule as well, so only next Wednesday, for example. Super powerful tool. And last but not least, one last super cool feature that I recently made a full video on is their dispatch feature. So if you're out on the go and you have a task you want to do on your computer using Claude, you can just write in the Claude app on your phone. For example, I received an email with loads of finance data, but I'm not at my computer. Please find the email, analyze it all, make a presentation that's ready for when I get home. And it will then launch that task on your computer. It can actually take over your computer, find that email, analyze it all without you having to interact with it, and do all of that while you're chilling on the beach, for example. I did make a full video on that, so you can go check that out after this one if you are interested in knowing exactly how to set that up and how to use it to its full potential. But Claude Cowork is an incredible tool for data analysts, but there's obviously also so many other cool use cases for it that we'll talk about here in the future. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a like if you found any value in this video. And if you're interested in taking this to the next level using a more advanced tool called Claude Code, we have a complete Claude Code course in our school community, as well as a Claude Cowork course for beginners, how you can get started with it. We do weekly calls, give you a full starter repo with 500 plus agents, etc. And we're adding so much more value there in the next few weeks. So you can check that out down below with big discounts for the first 50 members. Now, with that said, if you have any questions at all, do let me know down below in the comment section. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later.